Hello guys, this is a 15-gallon tank air compressor. It's made by Dewalt and the model will be D55168. So I've noticed that this thing started pumping really slow. I do a lot of painting, like I paint cars. So I noticed it was pumping really slow. It took at least the duty cycle actually is 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off. But of course you're trying to get the job done, do not have enough time to wait. So I always run it 7 to 10 minutes and I let it cool off, and that's enough for me. Anyways, this thing started pumping slow, so I was like, well, I don't know what's going on. I threw away my manual, I threw away my box, because who need that garbage, you know? So I started digging around. I popped this cover off. There's 2 torque screws. I'm gonna show it to you. So these little tiny torque screws, one on the top and one on the bottom, which is right here. You'd screw them off, and then this thing pops off, and then if you look closely you see your internals, and you got your belt, you got your one style piston compressor. This is dry, no oil. And then if you look down here, right here, there's gonna be a little black roundish box right here. It's gonna sit right there. You gotta unscrew that. Once you unscrew that, and then pop this cap open and then separate this, there's going to be a filter. Yes, you're looking at a filter. This filter was not changed since day one, so this is trash. I went on Amazon. I got this pack for pretty sure like $34, and there's six of them, and they are pretty much the same thing. And then you just change them out. If you don't change the filter, it is a possibility that then you will need to replace this whole piston, and I probably did, so I'm not sure yet. I am going to put that all in, start the compressor on, and we'll see how it will do. I hope it's going to build air like it was brand new. I'm not sure. So hang on tight. We'll put this here. This clip you line up with these tabs. You line this up and then just pop it in. Well, something like that. It's a little crooked. It's kind of hard to work with one hand. Okay, I need a better camera. Anyways, hang in there. It's hard to set up this camera and do this at the same time. So just pop this in. Okay, that seems secure. Not really. Okay, that's secure now. And then take this over to the compressor. Up, and then just screw this in here. It should be hand tight. Shouldn't be too much pressure. Okay, that's good. That's tight. Then we put our lid on. and just kind of, once you line them up, just smack it in there, and then we could test this out. Let's plug it in. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna watch my pressures here real quick. All right, let's start it up. Well, you got the idea. It's definitely working. Definitely much better. Because trust me, it was horrible. I had to wait at least. I had to wait quite some time. So stay tuned for more videos. When my compressor dies, I'll show you how to rebuild the piston and the sleeve. So I was hoping it would die so I could make another video, but whatever. Not now, I guess. So we'll be painting this. I'm not a professional, so I won't be really teaching you. I'm a student myself, so but if you guys want me to, I could make videos how I paint my bumpers. Alright, take care guys.